Right here I have a hard drive that I've disassembled. It's a laptop hard drive. Just a small one that wasn't working, so I thought I would try to open up and see if I can get it working on the inside. This is the bottom piece here is the circuit board, and that feeds the power and the data through the pins up here and possibly here. This is probably the power, this is probably data. I'd have to look that up to find out if that's true. At first it wasn't spinning, but I was able to get it working later. There was a problem with the clearance on here, preventing the hard drive itself, platters, from spinning. So with a simple application of power, the platters here are now spinning at 5400 RPM. At least that's what it claims to be spinning at. I was hoping to get the actuators to move, but Windows is not reading this disk at all. So sometimes in my spare time, this is what I do for fun. Take things apart and see how they work. In this case, not work.